Welcome to the Advantage Technology Incorporated and to the excitement and challenges of a growing business. As a new employee, your job is important to us. Your success is an important factor in the success of this company. This software is designed to offer you accurate information about company policies and procedures, benefit packages, performance reviews, training, and education opportunities. Advantech's 5 business units are involved with every aspect of daily life to help realize your dreams. Inspired by the vision of a ubiquitous and connected world, each product is designed with clear concept in mind. Advantech brings new technologies and groundbreaking applications to many fields, like medical care, digital home, transportation, factory automation, and video surveillance.